In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on a VPN in Google Chrome using the NordVPN extension. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs for Chrome because it's fast, lightweight, and protects your browsing without slowing down your internet. You can grab it at a great price using the link in the description. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. To install the NordVPN extension, you can either search NordVPN Chrome extension on Google, or you can directly open the Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, click on the first result that says VPN for Chrome, NordVPN Proxy Protection. On the right side, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it. A pop-up will appear asking to confirm the installation. It will say, Add VPN for Chrome, NordVPN Proxy Protection. Click Add Extension. Now Chrome will automatically install the extension. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected to a new tab where Chrome will suggest pinning NordVPN for easy access. You can click Pin or do it manually by clicking the puzzle icon at the top right of Chrome, which shows all your extensions. From there, pin NordVPN so it stays visible on your toolbar. Next, click on the NordVPN icon. The first screen will show a short message about privacy and permissions. Click Accept. Now the extension will ask you to log into your NordVPN account. Click Login, and a new page will open where you can enter your email and password. Once you log in, Chrome will take you back to the extension automatically. Now your NordVPN Chrome extension is fully active. You'll see a Quick Connect button that instantly connects you to the fastest server. At the bottom, you can choose different countries manually, depending on the region you want to browse from. You'll also see extra features like threat protection, WebRTC leak protection, spoofing options, and settings for more control. And that's it. That's how you turn on VPN in Google Chrome using NordVPN. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy fast, secure browsing right inside your browser.